no matter what I do with the throttle, it doesn't adjust anything. So there must be something in there which is just having it on full rev. So I don't know. I just started working on my lawnmower and I tried to push it and it was making a weird noise. And literally I found a hedgehog curled up underneath it. I was wondering what the noise was and I had to look in the back. And this little guy, well, it's not little, this thing's huge. You can see, I think you might be able to see him breathing. I don't know what to do with him. Okay, so Hedgehog dealt with. He's gone. He went off that way and hid underneath Buddy. So what have I done today? Put the fuel tank back on. Yesterday I put the rest of the engine back together again with the cowling and everything. I haven't made any kind of adjustments. All I did was basically I took the carburetor off again, made sure this bar for the governor was in through the top of the carburetor. I've got new fuel hose, I've got some hose clamps, which the old one didn't. The old hose was split. Yeah, so I put all this back on. I am ordering a hose filter for the Victa, which shouldn't look like that, but it does. And it's been eaten on one side. It's got a hole in it, so that's junk. I need to turn it over on its side. I need to put the other blades on the boss on underneath. Let's turn it over so I can show you. Oh yeah, I've been cleaning up some of the bolts that go into this thing as well. Some of them are a bit on the rusty side. So let's tilt it over. So yeah, I need to get the other two blades on here. I don't know how much you can see of this because it's a bit grotty. Yeah, blade there and a blade there. Yeah, that bolt just fell out. And yeah, I can start putting things back together. I have been painted the brackets there, look, for the handlebars and the rear flap, because they were mega rusty, and the bottom ends of the handlebars were seriously rusty as well. So ground them down and put some zinc primer on them. So I'm going to use some silver wheel paint from TC, because blue goes with blue, doesn't it? So yeah, still got quite a bit more work to do. I haven't bought any petrol yet. So what I'm going to do is dig out the blades, get the nuts and bolts and start putting them on. Well, who'd have thunk it? This video is for Tom down in Australia. I'll put a link into his channel. And it's also many thanks to Mix Mowers, Kenan in America, everyone who's helped me in the small engine community. That includes Stella, John, excuse me, I'm a bit flummoxed today, Hank from Big Dog Repair, I'm going to put all of those guys' channels links down in the bottom. Thank you, everyone. My mower works, and I'm really happy. Thank you for watching, everyone.